everyone, this is Libon laser, and now we are in the workshop. This is our laser welding machine, automatic. Here is the Type-C connector, and now I will teach you how to use our machine. And this is the fixture. We need to put the Type-C connector into the tooth. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe around 8 pieces. We need to put here and then fix it, lock it. Already, then we put on the platform, foot switch, automatic laser welding processing. There are 2 sides need to be welding. This is one side, and then we do another side here. You can see the welding point spot is very clear. Now it is finished. You can see this is the finished one, the part. The welding spot here. That's all.